Hey guys, this is Dan from OnlineLabels. If you need to edit your label sheets in Google Docs, we've got the tool for you. We just launched an add-on for Google Docs that lets you generate templates for any label size we offer. In this video, we'll show you how to find the add-on and how exactly you can use it for your own brand or project. Let's take a look. Start by opening up your Google Doc. The first step is going to be to install the add-on if you haven't done that already. You can do this by navigating to Extensions in the toolbar and selecting Add-ons from the drop-down. When you click Get Add-ons, it's going to open the Google Workspace Marketplace. Here, you can search for the tool Label Templates by OnlineLabels and find the add-on in the store. We'll also link the Marketplace page in the description of this video on YouTube, so you can follow the link below and find it there too. Once you choose to install the app, you're going to move through these consent screens that allow Google the access it needs for the tool to function. Once you're done with this screen, the tool should install pretty much immediately. Back in your doc itself, navigate from Extensions to Label Templates by OnlineLabels and click Launch. A new sidebar will appear on the right-hand side of your screen. This is where you can select the product or the label size that you need. This gives you a huge library of different shapes and sizes to choose from. If you're on a size or a product that you want to check out on our website, you can click View Product to head to OnlineLabels.com and place an order for more. Once you find the product that you're working with, click Generate Template. You'll be prompted here to make sure you're okay with replacing your current layout with a new template. Proceed here by clicking Draw. Now your label sheet's exact sizing has been drawn as a table in Google Docs. You can toggle the grid lines on and off with the checkbox on the right. These are useful to keep things organized while you're designing, but you'll probably want to switch them off before you print. Do you need to change or add a label template? You can do it right in the sidebar like you did the first one. Now you can add to or edit your designs as needed right in Google Docs. We hope this add-on comes in handy and makes your labeling life a lot easier and happier. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to comment below. Have fun designing!